So now we have a small exercise. First, a little tip actually about prompt technique. And this is a prompt we're going to use in a few seconds. And this is a prompt that generates another prompt. So it's actually a two-level or two-step process of creating a prompt. So let's break it down a little bit so we understand what it is. So I'm putting a role first. I'm a manager, have a challenging situation in my organization, but first write a prompt that I can use to get help from an AI assistant. So I actually instructed to first give me a prompt. I'm not prompting it directly, but I also said that I want to dive into these topics here, my approach as a leader, understanding employees' concern and so forth, implementation approach. You're going to use this prompt on one of these leadership scenarios. You have to choose in a few seconds between one of these scenarios that could resemble what you experience in your own working situation. Something about job anxiety due to AI adoption, conflict between team members, resistance to AI adoption, low team member morale or engagement, handling a high performer with a negative attitude. Perhaps you've experienced some of these scenarios or something similar. So you just have to pick one of them. And now I'm going to try to guide you through a little bit of prompting here. So first of all, choose one of the scenarios and copy it and paste it into the AI assistant. Hopefully it should wait a little bit because I've told it here to wait for instructions. It could be that it writes a little bit, I'm ready for doing something. That should be okay. When you have done that, then copy the other prompt that we just saw here and execute it. That was this one. To take this prompt, copy it, execute it, and then it should return a new prompt and ask you, well, what about this? Should we adjust it or anything? And if you like it, then you can just write execute the prompt. And if you can see the new prompt that it has generated is kind of adjusted for the scenario that you just chose. When you've done that, then look at the output from the executing the prompt, the generated prompt. That might take a few minutes. Perhaps find some interesting aspects of this output. So what did you experience here? Anything you could use? Is it totally gibberish? We don't know if you succeeded with the two-level prompting here. It's a little bit of a technique you have to learn, but we just talked here in the big room. You should try it out. It's really a good way to get the most out of your assistant.